high, there is a short circuit in this MOSFET, like here. You can hear it. I show you. Yeah? Completely short. This is a drain source short. This is the spindle switch on FET from the PWM signal. And this is fully short circuit. This was exploded. Here you can see some craters in the surface of the FET. Therefrom comes a smoke. This is a defected FET, but you can see here is a PCB conduct coming up here. This one I show you with the tip of my measure. Can you see it? I show it so in this device. Please. Okay. That is it. That is it. Nearby between the two condensators, this is a small PCB conduct track. This comes up. Here I have a full short circuit. Thank you.